I need to buy a diving computer and I want to buy an underwater camera, but buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets Diveroid, it's possible. Introducing Diveroid, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy a new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O-ring structure with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the Diveroid app, connect with your smartphone, and you're ready. Diveroid works underwater as both a diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms, including slowdown and safety stop functions, are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. Diveroid provides 4 camera modes: ultra-wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to take vivid videos of the beautiful underwater ocean. Still not satisfied with your pictures even after using the red filter? The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive! Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook link and send our diving records to family and friends? Add depth, graphs, and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the Diving Story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with Diveroid. All-in-one dive gear, Diveroid.
This is the BW Space. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from UCAN Robot. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. And with the BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you're outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory to fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing VIO technology, Mark will amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K. High-grade Mark.
1, 2, 3, listen.
The device has two modes, passive and active. The passive voice muffling mode is provided by the insulator, which is embedded inside the mask, as well as by the ergonomic embouchures, which, on the one hand, prevent your voice from spreading beyond the mask, and from the other hand, keep the external noise from getting into the microphone. So the person on the other end will hear you clearly, but the people nearby will not be able to understand a single word which you've pronounced while wearing the mask. The active voice masking mode is provided by the electronics, which is located in the headband. The button pressing activates the external speakers, which are located on the perimeter of the mask. These speakers will generate sound. While using the mask in the active mode, the resulting sound will, in any case, be lower than the sound from your voice itself without a mask, so you will not cause any inconvenience to others.
Hush me. Keep talking.
Most of us have been to one of those parties where the music is boring, the conversation's awkward. Oh, I've got something for you. With the Partier speaker, the atmosphere transforms instantly. Turn your room into a dance floor with dynamic disco lighting. The 360-degree surround sound fills your room with music. while you enjoy light show generated as the robot arm dances to the rhythm of the music. Be it a birthday party or just an impromptu gathering with friends, Partier provides the right mood for you to enjoy and relax. Besides parties, Partier is also suitable for chilling out or even to keep the kids entertained while they listen to their bedtime stories and nursery rhymes. Partier's portable design lets you bring the party anywhere you go. Partier is created by Jun from Korea. He loves to party, and he realized he couldn't find a product that combined a wireless speaker with dynamic party lights, so he decided to make one. This is the prototype that put him on the road to making Partier a reality. We have come a long way in the product development to build this Partier prototype. Help us bring this product to life by backing us on Kickstarter, and Partier will bring the party to wherever you are.
This wireless magnetic power bank is super cool, and it lets you take an extra 5,000 milliamp hours worth of battery power with you on the go. But because it's magnetic, you can choose when to attach it to your phone and when to keep it off. At a nice and thin 10.5 millimeters, it's definitely not as bulky as other external battery solutions, and because it's universal, it works with existing cases. Thanks to pass-through charging, you can charge your Juice card and your iPhone simultaneously overnight, which is definitely convenient. And you can even charge two devices at the same time, one wirelessly and one via the charging port. The Exo Juice card gives you so much. It gives you quick charging, you can use it with a magnetic car vent clip, and it works with any wirelessly charging phone, so you can share it with your family and friends. I definitely recommend checking this out using the link down in the description.